Good afternoon, everybody. Thank you for coming to the show. Now I'm going to sing the welcome to all show. I'm tall, I'm fat, I have two castles for my eyes, a carrot for my nose, I have stones for my mouth, I have branches for my arms, I have chestnuts for my buttons, I have a big stick.
But the snowman had no clothes, no hat, no scarf, no gloves, and he was poor.
A very, very cold.
On the hill there was a girl. She was wearing a long red scarf. The snowman saw the scarf.
Give me your long day, scarf.
I'm sorry, but I'm cold. Very cold.
Are you cold?
Well, no, I suppose not.
Then give me your scarf or I hit you with my stick.
Okay, please don't hit me.
That's good. I'm cold. I'm very, very cold.
Put on the scarf and off he went without doing a thank you.
That's better. I'm cold. I'm very, very cold. Inside and outside? Well, no, I suppose not. Then give me your coconut or a little bit of okay, please don't beat me. That's better. I'm very good.
There's no man put the hat on and off he went without even a thing. After a lady was standing outside her house, she was wearing yellow snow boots. The snowman saw it.
Give me your yellow or no boot.
I'm sorry, but they got very good.
I took an inside and outside.
We're not they supposed to know.
Then give me your snow boot or a little with my ski.
Okay, if you need them, but they have they come with me. Come inside.
So the snowman followed the lady into the house.
Hurry up, my feet are freezing cold. I'm sorry. Could you come and sit here by the fire? The fire? Come close. Just it's lovely and warm here.
So the snowman went and sat down till near the fire.
I can feel my feet. Are you feeling warmer? I can feel my legs. Come closer. Are you feeling warmer? I can feel my tummy. Come closer. Are you feeling warmer? I can feel my eyes. Come closer. Are you feeling warmer?
Baby, Mr. Snowman.
Oh, what happened? I'm going to fetch you. The man and the gallo for the stones. Whose are these clothes? There is a lot of water. I thought the stones being clothes are not in flower.